friends, welcome to your channel Moon Beauty Tips. If you are looking for remove your open pores naturally, this remedy will give you a magical result. This recipe is very easy and simple to make at home, completely natural and without any side effects. This procedure is very effective to get rid of open pores. Your skin will be glowing smooth and completely hair-free. Regular use of this home remedy for remove open pores will help you to get smooth and glowing skin naturally. So let's start with this process. Before starting, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will get first notification of our future videos. In this process, only we need is organic aloe vera gel. Make sure the aloe vera gel is organic and fresh. Apply some aloe vera gel on your pores and massage for a few minutes. Apply fresh aloe vera gel. Let it sit on your skin for 10 minutes. Then rinse with cool water. Do this process every day for a week and you will get phenomenal result. Continue this aloe vera gel remedy for 1 week. After 1 week, you will get a really amazing result. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more beauty tips, subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. For today, I am signing off. We'll meet you soon in another video. Bye bye.